hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Code Fusion Hub. So in our today's video, we are going to talk about the concept of error handling. In case if you have missed any of the previous videos, I'll give you the link in the description box. Make sure you check it out from there. And in case if you are a new user, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any update from my upcoming playlist. And also I have provided each and every notes for each and every lectures, so make sure you check it out from the description so that you are able to revise the concepts and get into the concepts more deeper and you are thorough with that. So without wasting any time, let's start with our today's concept, that is nothing but error handling. Now, what is error handling in TypeScript and why is it an essential part of development? Now, error handling is essential for building reliable applications. Okay, in any large scale application or in any small scale application, also error handling is a must. So in TypeScript, we can use try catch blocks, okay, for error handling. First we'll learn about that, and next we can create custom error classes to deal with specific scenarios. Additionally, TypeScript provides us with type safety with error handling to ensure that the types of errors are well defined, making it easier to catch and manage the exceptions at the compile time itself. Okay, so this is a very much plus point which we can say about TypeScript is the type checking, the error handling, everything is very much manageable and all the exceptions are properly handled at compile time and runtime both. Okay, so first of all, we'll see how do we handle errors using this try catch blocks. So this try catch blocks is used to handle runtime errors. Okay, in JavaScript and TypeScript, we use this try catch blocks. You must have heard about the concept or must have gone through this. In case if you haven't, I'll give you the deeper understanding on this also. So it allows you to create a try block of the code and also a catch block of the code. Okay, so you have this try block into which you are going to write your specific code, and in case if it doesn't succeed, it will move to the catch part of the block over here. Okay, so here the code that may throw an error. So sorry, the code you are writing may throw an error. Okay, you don't know whether it is going to throw an error or what. So you will pass that error over here. Okay, you will pass that error over here into the catch block, and this is going to handle the cached error. Okay, so this is going to handle the cached part of the error. So this is nothing but the basic syntax of any try catch block. Okay, so here what we can do is we can write a function over here. Let's say example, let's say we have a function divide, okay, into which we are passing two arguments, specifically numbers, which is a and b. You can take whatever you want as parameters, and then you are just going to pass the parameters that you want over here. Now what I'm going to do, if b equals to 0, okay, if my b equal to 0, I want to throw a new error. Okay, I want to throw a new error over here stating that the error message that I want, stating that the division by 0 is not allowed over here. Okay, so we'll just format it. Yes, so we have just formatted the code so that it looks more cleaner. So we have a function which has specific parameters, and if I have b as 0, okay, this is a strict typing check that both of my data types are also same. Okay, if I put double equals to, maybe one would be string and one would be number. Okay, but I am using a strict equality check that both should be properly equally assigned. So I am giving a new error stating this message that division by 0 is not allowed over here. Okay, so I have to return in last the function as a divided by b over here. I have returned that. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to use exception handling. That is nothing but a try catch block. So I am going to take a variable which I am going to assign the value to. So let's say I'm giving the value as 10 for A and 0 for B. Okay, and I am just logging the result over here as result. Now I have the catch part, okay, into which in case if I get any error, I'll just log the value over here, error, okay, and I'll just pass the error and I'll just pass this error over here, okay. So now what will happen is b equals to 0, which we have given, okay, which is invalid. So what will it do? It will go into the catch block because it is an error, and it is going to give us the error message stating that division by 0 is not going to be allowed, and it would not return us a divided by b over here. So this is basically exception handling, where you are handling all the errors so that whenever you put it on server, wherever you put it on live, it does not give any issue and all the server does not crash down. Okay, so it is very, very essential that you handle errors everywhere, specifically by using some of the techniques of exception handling. By using creating custom error classes also you can do it for the same. Also by using try catch block promises you can use anything, but you have to use exception handling for the same. Okay, so this was all about today's video. In case if you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section below, and make sure you have subscribed to my channel. Hit the like button if you like the video, share it with all your friends and colleagues. I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.